Technology is evolving very fast, and many people are lagging behind in this tech-driven world. Today, technology touches almost everything that is around us, from the way we grow our food to how we protect data, and even how decisions are made using artificial intelligence. At ClawnCore Multitech, the focus is to understand how these technologies work and how we can apply them correctly to solve real-time problems. I am building a community where I'll be sharing about the current trends in technology and how to use it in a very simple, fast, and reliable way. Whether it's using AI to improve decisions, drones to transform agriculture, or secure systems to protect digital infrastructure, the goal is always the same: clarity, usability, and real impact. This may include artificial intelligence, drone technology, as well as smart farming and modern agriculture, just to mention a few. If you're a student, a creator, or a business person who wants to stay ahead of technology, kindly subscribe to ClawnCore Multitech. Like, comment, and share.